How would you like to have a home with a private apartment set aside for extra income for a family member? Let's go take a look. This is for you. 2 entrances, the main principal, and the apartment. Here's the living room in the apartment, private kitchen, your own laundry area, private bathroom. In the model home, this is an office, but in your home, it's your home. And this door does connect to the house. You can leave it open, closed, it's yours. Beautiful kitchen. Si tú quieres bailar con tu esposa, tú puedes porque es muy grande para ti. Open space, dining room, entertainment area, office, studio. Here's the master bedroom, walk-in closet, bathroom. Here's another bedroom, or could be an office. Full bathroom and another bedroom. And now I love how the back patio does have the cover over it. Keep in mind this home, 3 bedrooms, a separate studio, plus the apartment. Whoever could have a need.